Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pink computer cases that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the darkFlash DB460M Micro-ATX PC gaming case. If you're looking for a brilliant pink PC case to complete your aesthetic, look no further than the darkFlash DLM22 Pink. The PC tower is fantastic and is available in a baby pink color that pops. The case has enough room for either a Micro-ATX or Mini-ATX motherboard. You won't be able to fit in the hardware for an overclocking powerhouse, but there's enough room to build a very decent PC. The design and compartmentalization of the insides of the PC allow for enough hardware that'll let you play all modern games. Furthermore, the open door design of the PC helps the functionality. Gamers don't need to unscrew anything to reach the insides of the PC. You can open the tempered glass door and adjust whatever you need. The tempered glass helps create a brilliant atmosphere if you install any lighting into the case. All of the best modern PC designs feature a tempered glass door allowing you to look inside. Moving on at number 4, we have the Apevia Crusader-F-PK mid-tower gaming case. Apevia are quite easily the masters of the pink PC case design. The Crusader-F-PK is a mid-tower PC case. Its robust steel design looks brilliant. Its finish, in particular, is awe-inspiring. There's one tempered glass window on the left side. The contrast with the pink is bright. Additionally, 4 Frostblade RGB fans help accentuate the overall aesthetic. The motherboard offers support for multiple different types, so you have a lot of options. There's also a new cable management system that helps declutter the innards of your gaming rig. Furthermore, the amount of space is enough to let you put in a VGA 350mm in length and 165mm in height. At number 3, we have the InWin 102 Black-ATX mid-tower gaming computer case. If you don't like using a lot of tools to set up your gaming accessories, this InWin 101 mid-tower gaming computer case is the one for you. It has a stylish yet convenient design with a white structure and pink edges. One side of it is made of glass that can easily be taken out without any tools. It has some great cooling features with the room for 6 fans. Therefore, it helps enhance the airflow through the rig and add to the durability of your hardware. At number 2, we have the Apevia X Infinity mid-tower gaming PC case. This PC case is great for gamers who enjoy LED lights peeking from the inside. One side of the case is made of acrylic for a clear view of your hardware. Moreover, the fans included in the set come along with 15 LED lights, which make the setup look pretty lit. The case side has holes in it for better airflow. The top of the case consists of 3 USB ports and an audio port. Overall, the case is lightweight yet sturdy with a basic and sleek design. It is perfect for adding color and lights to your gaming room. And finally, at number 1, we have the Apevia X Pioneer PK-ATX mid-tower gaming case. If you want a sharp design yet want your internals and jacks to stay protected, this gaming case is perfect for you. The window on one side is edgy and looks pretty sharp. It gives you a view of the insides while protecting them well too. The front panel has a door which protects all the drives. In the lowest part of the front panel and on the top, there are many small holes of the same size that ensure better airflow. There are 3 USB ports and 2 audio ports on the top as well. Overall, the case is a great deal for the price you have to pay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.